Imagine upgrading your life with the smartest gadgets Amazon has to offer. In this video, we explore innovative tech designed to simplify daily routines, enhance convenience, and make your home more efficient. From clever automation tools to smart devices that keep you connected and organized, these gadgets bring modern solutions right to your fingertips. Whether it's boosting productivity, improving comfort, or adding fun and functionality to everyday tasks, these smart picks show how technology can truly elevate your lifestyle. Get ready to discover the gadgets that can make life easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Tiiny AI Pocket Lab. The Tiiny AI Pocket Lab is one of the most futuristic smart gadgets designed to bring powerful artificial intelligence into a compact portable device. About the size of a power bank, it measures roughly 14.2 by 8 by 2.53 centimeters and weighs around 300 grams, making it easy to carry anywhere. Despite its small form, the device features a powerful 12-core ARMv 9.2 processor, a dedicated AI neural processing unit delivering around 190 TOPS, 80 GB of LPDDR5X memory, and a fast 1 TB SSD. This impressive hardware allows the Pocket Lab to run advanced AI models locally without relying on cloud servers. It can handle large language models with up to 120 billion parameters directly on the device. Users can summarize documents, generate content, analyze images, transcribe audio, and even run coding assistants completely offline. This pocket-sized system highlights the future of portable personal AI. Shark ChillPill. The Shark ChillPill 3-in-1 personal cooling system is a compact smart gadget designed to help people stay cool and comfortable during hot weather. Small enough to carry anywhere, this portable device combines 3 cooling technologies into one convenient system. It features a powerful high-speed fan capable of pushing strong airflow, with multiple adjustable speed levels so users can choose the right amount of cooling. The device also includes a dry touch evaporative mist system that releases a refreshing ultra-fine mist to help cool the skin without leaving it wet. Another standout feature is the InstaChill cooling plate, a special metal surface that can quickly lower skin temperature when placed on areas like the neck or wrist. With a rechargeable battery that can last for hours and a versatile wearable design, the ChillPill offers a simple and portable way to stay cool almost anywhere. Pin Pulse. The Pin Pulse Smart Ring is a compact wearable gadget designed to track important health information directly from your finger. Built with a lightweight titanium body and weighing only a few grams, the ring is designed for comfortable all-day and all-night wear. Despite its small size, the device is equipped with advanced sensors that can monitor multiple health metrics and daily wellness patterns. Using optical sensors, motion tracking, and skin temperature monitoring, the ring collects data and provides helpful insights about overall health. It can also track sleep patterns and breathing trends to help users better understand their nightly recovery and daily energy levels. The smart ring offers more than 7 days of battery life on a single charge and is water resistant for everyday activities. With its small size and advanced technology, this wearable gadget represents a new step forward in personal health monitoring. Looking Glass Musubi. The Looking Glass Musubi is an innovative gadget designed to display photos and short videos as holographic images. This 7-inch digital frame creates a 3-dimensional visual effect that can be viewed without special glasses or headsets. Instead of showing flat pictures, the device produces depth and motion, so memories appear to float inside the display. The technology behind the device uses a hololuminescent light field system that allows images to be seen from multiple angles, giving viewers a wide viewing range of around 170 degrees. The system also includes AI-powered software that can convert normal photos or videos into holographic scenes before transferring them to the frame through USB-C. The device can store up to 1,000 holograms and display them in a continuous gallery. Designed to work offline with a built-in battery, it offers a futuristic way to experience digital memories. Nosh One. The Nosh One AI RoboChef is an advanced kitchen gadget designed to simplify home cooking through smart automation. This countertop robot works like a personal chef, preparing fresh meals with very little effort from the user. Through a companion mobile app, users choose a recipe and place the prepared ingredients into the machine. Once started, the robot manages the entire cooking process. It automatically adds ingredients, stirs the food, and controls heat while monitoring the dish using an AI-powered camera that analyzes texture, color, and moisture levels. The system supports hundreds of recipes from different global cuisines and allows users to adjust ingredients according to personal taste. With its powerful induction cooking system, automated stirring mechanism, and built-in spice containers, The device can cook meals with precision. The Nosh One demonstrates how smart technology is transforming modern kitchens. Easy Up Misting Fan Kit. The Easy Up Misting Fan Kit is a portable outdoor cooling gadget designed to provide relief during hot weather. Built for canopy tents and outdoor setups, this system combines a powerful fan with a fine misting feature to create a refreshing cooling effect. The device includes a 14-inch rechargeable fan powered by a lithium-ion battery, allowing cordless operation without needing a nearby power outlet. This makes it useful for camping, outdoor events, sports activities, and backyard gatherings. The integrated mist ring releases ultrafine water droplets into the airflow, helping reduce the surrounding temperature and making the area more comfortable. The fan also offers adjustable tilt and swivel movement, so users can direct airflow where it is needed. With easy mounting to canopy frames and a portable design, this cooling system provides a convenient way to stay comfortable during outdoor activities. TOUMEI S7 DLP Projector. The TOUMEI S7 DLP Projector is a compact and portable gadget designed to deliver a cinematic experience anywhere. Using advanced DLP technology, it provides full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution with sharp and vibrant images for movies, games, or presentations. The projector features 600 ANSI lumens brightness, a 4-color light source, and a Texas Instruments 0.23-inch DMD chip for clear visuals, even in moderately lit spaces. It includes millisecond autofocus and automatic keystone correction, making setup quick and effortless. A large 20,800 mAh built-in battery allows up to 4 hours of playback, perfect for outdoor movie nights or travel. Running Android 11 with optional Google TV, it supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI, USB, and wireless screen mirroring. Dual 10-watt Dolby-tuned speakers complete the immersive experience, turning any wall into a portable cinema. llano A580. The llano A580 wireless video transmitter is a smart gadget designed to make screen sharing and video transmission completely wireless. Using a USB-C transmitter and HDMI receiver system, it allows phones, tablets, and laptops to connect to TVs, monitors, or projectors without cables. This makes it ideal for presentations, streaming, gaming, and everyday screen mirroring. The device uses 5G wireless technology to deliver stable, low-latency video over long distances, ensuring smooth playback without lag. Its plug-and-play design requires no drivers. Simply connect the transmitter to your device and the receiver to a display for instant streaming. It also supports real-time video recording and streaming via platforms like OBS, with a built-in microphone capturing audio directly. Compact and powerful, the llano A580 streamlined setups, removes cable clutter, and makes wireless media sharing effortless for work and entertainment. Hypnuse Pro. The Hypnuse Pro Smart Sleep Mask is a cutting-edge wellness gadget designed to enhance sleep quality using a combination of heat, light, and sound therapy. Unlike traditional sleep masks that only block out light, this smart device actively supports the sleep process by guiding the brain into a natural sleep rhythm with gentle light patterns while playing calming audio tracks that reduce stress and mental activity. The built-in therapeutic heat system applies soothing warmth around the eyes, relaxing eye muscles and helping the body wind down for deeper rest. Weighing just 167 grams and powered by a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery, the mask is comfortable for overnight wear and features magnetic charging for easy use. Crafted with premium materials and available in multiple stylish colors, it is suitable for both home and travel. The Hypnuse Pro provides a thoughtful, technology-driven approach to improving sleep naturally, helping users fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed and revitalized. Deep Robotics Robot Horse. The Deep Robotics Robot Horse is an innovative quadruped robot that combines advanced robotics with the agility and elegance of a horse. Created by Deep Robotics, a company known for AI-powered quadruped robots used in research and industrial applications, this model reimagines their proven technology in a horse-inspired form. While it uses the same core systems, AI motion control, environmental perception, and autonomous navigation, the robot horse showcases these capabilities with a unique and visually striking design. The robot can adjust its gait, navigate complex terrain, and respond intelligently to its surroundings, reflecting the robustness of industrial models like the X20. Inspired by the Year of the Horse, it blends functional engineering with creative expression, demonstrating how bio-inspired design and AI-driven robotics can be applied in both practical and imaginative ways. This robot offers a glimpse into the future of smart, adaptive machines. Neró Lux. The Neró Lux portable bidet is a sleek and compact smart hygiene gadget designed to provide water-based cleaning wherever you go. Ideal for travelers, commuters, or anyone using public restrooms, it delivers a powerful targeted spray from a handheld device. About the size of a small bottle, it collapses for easy storage in a bag or backpack. The bidet features a 400 milliliter water tank with an antibacterial coating and built-in UVC sterilization, ensuring the water remains hygienic before use. Operation is simple with a one-button control, and multiple spray pressure settings allow users to choose between gentle or strong cleaning based on preference. Its rechargeable design makes it convenient for daily use or travel. Gaining popularity on Kickstarter, the Neró Lux combines portability, innovative hygiene technology, and user-friendly design to offer a modern solution for fresh, water-based cleaning on the go. Roborock Saros 20 Sonic. The Roborock Saros 20 Sonic is a next-generation robot vacuum and mop designed to elevate home cleaning with advanced intelligence and powerful performance. Featuring the Viborize 5.0 sonic mopping system, it delivers up to 4,000 vibrations per minute with 14 Newton downward pressure, scrubbing hard floors deeply and reaching right up to walls and corners. With up to 35,000 pascals of hyperforce suction and a dual anti-tangle brush system, it handles hair and debris efficiently. The RetractSense navigation system, paired with reactive AI 3.0, maps homes precisely while avoiding obstacles, and the AdaptiLift chassis 3.0 lets it traverse thresholds and uneven surfaces up to 8.8 centimeters. The Saros 20 Sonic works seamlessly with the RockDock system, which washes and dries the mop, empties dust, and reduces bacteria. Combining deep mopping, strong suction, and smart automation, it offers an effortless, hands-free cleaning experience for modern homes. Miocube Mini Ice Maker. The Miocube Mini Ice Maker is a portable appliance designed to provide fresh ice on demand, perfect for kitchens, apartments, dorms, RVs, parties, and outdoor gatherings. Compact and easy to use, it requires no installation. Just plug it in, add water, and ice is ready within minutes. Most mini ice makers, including the Miocube, produce the first batch in about 6 to 10 minutes, and continue making repeated batches throughout the day, ensuring chilled drinks are always available. The device typically offers user-friendly controls to select ice sizes and monitors ice production automatically. Built-in sensors stop the ice-making process when the bin is full or the water is low, reducing the need for constant supervision. With its fast cycles, portability, and intuitive operation, the Miocube Mini Ice Maker delivers convenient on-the-go ice for home, travel, or entertainment needs. GUIMEET Go 5. The GUIMEET Go 5 is a pocket-sized 4K action camera designed for content creators, travelers, vloggers, and adventurers who want professional quality footage without bulky equipment. Despite its compact size, it captures crisp 4K video at 30 FPS and 12 megapixel photos using a Sony sensor paired with an 8th generation AI image signal processor to enhance clarity, color, and detail. The camera features 6-axis electronic image stabilization combined with gyroflow technology, keeping footage smooth during movement. AI-powered enhancements automatically adjust settings for HDR, noise reduction, and cinematic effects, reducing the need for heavy editing. Dual 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows wireless previewing up to 20 meters and live streaming to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. A built-in magnetic mount enables hands-free shooting on clothing, backpacks, or helmets. With long battery life and easy connectivity, the Go 5 delivers professional content creation in a compact, versatile package. SolarPivot Power Portable Solar. SolarPivot Power's portable solar systems bring smart, efficient energy solutions to outdoor adventures, off-grid living, RV trips, and emergency situations. These systems use advanced tracking technology to automatically orient panels toward the sun, maximizing energy capture throughout the day without manual adjustments. Compact and portable, the panels come in various wattages such as 100 watts, 150 watts, and 200 watts, and pair seamlessly with power stations, batteries, phones, and laptops. Lightweight mounts and trackers enhance efficiency, while durable solar cells ensure reliable performance in different environments. Ideal for campers, van lifers, or anyone needing off-grid power, SolarPivot systems make renewable energy more accessible and practical. With portable design, smart automation, and high energy output, these solar solutions provide clean, reliable electricity on the go. SolarPivot Power combines convenience, sustainability, and performance for modern outdoor and emergency power needs. Rovar X3. The Rovar X3 is a smart outdoor companion robot designed to follow you on hikes, camping trips, and daily adventures without needing manual control. Equipped with dual-wheel adaptive locomotion and multimodal perception systems, including LiDAR, cameras, and AI motion control, it moves smoothly over grass, gravel, and pavements while maintaining balance. Its intelligent tracking system recognizes your gait and appearance, keeping pace automatically. Beyond following, the Rovar X3 can carry gear, act as a mobile platform for photography or video capture, and provide environmental monitoring or patrol alerts. A front display shows expressive behavior cues, making interactions feel natural and engaging. Compact, functional, and personable, this robot blends utility with personality, aiming to enhance outdoor experiences. With its versatility and smart features, the Rovar X3 is ideal for hikers, campers, and tech enthusiasts seeking a hands-free outdoor helper. Black Panther X. The Black Panther X is an advanced robotic dog designed to combine high-performance, adaptability, and hands-on customization. Currently gaining attention on Kickstarter, this quadruped platform targets tech enthusiasts, innovators, and robotics hobbyists who want a versatile, programmable smart robot. Drawing inspiration from elite robotic dogs, the Black Panther X focuses on speed, agility, and dynamic movement, with engineering designed to handle complex terrain and perform challenging tasks. Its open platform allows users to modify hardware, integrate sensors, and experiment with software, making it suitable for research, exploration, creative robotics projects, or personal innovation. Early backers have shown strong support, reflecting interest in a flexible, high-performance robotics platform. By blending industrial-grade mechanics with a maker-friendly ecosystem, the Black Panther X demonstrates how next-generation quadruped robots are evolving beyond experimental prototypes into practical, programmable, and interactive smart machines. This robotic dog represents a glimpse into the future of adaptable, hands-on robotics. Neofirefly K1. The Neofirefly K1 is a next-generation smart key organizer designed to simplify everyday carry while adding intelligent features. This compact gadget can hold up to 7 keys neatly inside a durable aerospace-grade aluminum body with flexible FKM fluoroelastomer, making it resistant to wear, water, and heat. Its snap flip mechanism allows users to deploy keys instantly, avoiding fumbling in pockets or bags. The K1 also features flash halo lighting to illuminate keyholes or dark paths, making late-night access easier. For smart tracking, it integrates with Apple Find My and Google Find Hub networks, helping locate keys globally without extra apps. Additional features include a loud locator alarm, alerts when keys are left behind, and magnetic charging that provides up to 6 months of battery life. Stylish, durable, and connected, the K1 redefines what a smart key organizer can be.